Hello IG Garage family. Are you dealing with that pesky check engine light and an OBD-II scanner pointing to P0153? This code means there's a problem with your oxygen sensor circuit slow response bank 2 sensor 1. A slow response from your oxygen sensor can lead to bad fuel economy, rough idling, and even poor engine performance. In this video, we'll explain what this code means, where the sensor is located, and most importantly, how to fix it. Stick with us till the end, to learn how to save time and money on repairs. The P0153 code indicates that the oxygen sensor circuit, bank 2, sensor 1, is responding too slowly. Normally, oxygen sensors detect the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases to help the engine control unit, or ECU, adjust the air-fuel mixture. When the sensor's response time is too slow, it can mess with the engine's fuel efficiency and performance. A slow response could be due to a faulty sensor, a dirty sensor, or a contaminated sensor that can't react quickly enough. This could also be a sign of problems with the wiring or the exhaust system, affecting the sensor's ability to perform properly. Check engine light, poor fuel efficiency, rough idling or engine hesitation, increased emissions, stalling or hard starting. Faulty oxygen sensor. Over time, oxygen sensors degrade and may not function properly, causing slow response times. Contaminated sensor. If the sensor is covered in oil, coolant or carbon deposits, it can slow its response time. Exhaust leaks. A leak in the exhaust system can interfere with the sensor's ability to get accurate readings. Wiring issues. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause a slow response or poor signal transmission from the sensor. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder 1. Sensor 1 is located before the catalytic converter and is often positioned directly on the exhaust manifold or near the exhaust pipe leaving the engine. It's critical for monitoring the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases, which helps control fuel efficiency and emissions. The sensor is connected to the engine harness with an electrical connector. Check the wiring leading to the sensor for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections that could be causing the slow response. The first step is to inspect the wiring for any visible damage, fraying, or corrosion at the connector. If the wiring is damaged, replace or repair it to ensure a good connection and signal transmission. Check the oxygen sensor. If the wiring looks good, it's time to test the oxygen sensor. Use a multimeter to check the sensor's response time. If it's sluggish or inconsistent, the sensor is likely faulty and needs replacement. Clean or replace the sensor. If the sensor is simply contaminated, you may be able to clean it using a sensor-safe cleaner. However, if cleaning doesn't solve the problem, replacing the oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 1, is the best option. Check for exhaust leaks. Leaks in the exhaust system before the sensor can lead to inaccurate readings. Inspect the exhaust for cracks, holes, or damaged gaskets and repair as needed. Okay, so after fixing the issue, you'll need to use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0153 code. Then take your car for a test drive to make sure that the check engine light stays off and that your vehicle runs smoothly. And that's how you fix the P0153 code, which is related to a slow response from the oxygen sensor on bank 2 sensor 1. Fixing this will restore your engine performance and improve your fuel efficiency. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more helpful videos. For more tips, check out these videos. 1. P005902 Sensor Heater Control Circuit, Bank 1 Sensor 1. 2. P0060 Map Math, Throttle Position Correlation. Thanks for watching IG Garage. Stay tuned for more automotive solutions.